CD.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta save him.
Oh.
Not letting me go. Okay. This is harder than okay. Oh my. This is so hard.
Oh yeah, wait. You might want to move
Okay,
back.
that looks very weird. That looks very
Oh
weird.
come on!
Duo.
Just in case, move back a
Come
little bit.
on, that was the. Come on, who changed that?
Yeah, so that they don't
What?
stun you.
Alright.
Oh.
I mean, you're still here.
Oh.
Hey.
So,
I warned him.
like,
Bro, I warned him that he's OP as shit.
my move.
Damn!
That is fucking insane.
Yeah, I intentionally had it at 3 just because I knew it was. This is what it was
Oh,
before.
not gonna lie, we want it to be fast, so this is good. We didn't want to be
Yeah.
all day.
These two actually know how to use CD, unlike some people.
Damn! He caught his ass!
Oh!
Now that hurts. That hurts.
Wait, oh wait, wait.
No, that's game.
I'm tripping.
Yeah.
And he collapsed.
First thing.
Backpack Wonder Boy. What is a Wonder Boy?
I'm fucking lagging like shit. Someone clear the ring.
There you go.
Alright, do we have a CGI for the CGW match?
Alright, my match is over.
Okay.
Is that